Hey there! In this video, we are looking at the best wireless CarPlay adapter. If you are tired of dealing with messy cords every single time you get into your vehicle, you are in the perfect place today. We are focusing on a fantastic little gadget that upgrades your dashboard and brings seamless connectivity to your daily drive right here on our channel Triplezon. It is packed with modern tech to make your trips much smoother. Let's get started. Plugging your phone in for every short drive is a total hassle, but the burnt sugar wireless CarPlay adapter transforms your in-car experience. This device brings wireless connectivity to your system. It features a combination of 2.4 and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.3. This delivers ultra-low latency, ensuring navigation, music, calls, and messages remain perfectly synchronized with your vehicle display. The high-speed connection inside the burnt sugar wireless CarPlay adapter also greatly enhances overall audio quality. This allows you to enjoy your favorite music tracks and podcasts with greater clarity while keeping your original factory car system fully functional. You do not lose any standard dashboard features or steering wheel controls. It bridges the gap between your iPhone and your vehicle entertainment system effortlessly, giving you a responsive and stable performance. Setting up this gadget is simple and intuitive. The burnt sugar wireless CarPlay adapter features a true plug-and-play design, requiring no extra apps or complicated installation. Once connected, it automatically pairs with your iPhone whenever you enter your car, letting you focus on driving without interruptions. Its ultra-mini form factor fits effortlessly into your vehicle USB port, keeping your cables neat and your car interior totally uncluttered. The advanced 2025 chipset enhances functionality and ensures a smooth, reliable connection for a modern driving experience. In terms of compatibility, the burnt sugar wireless CarPlay adapter works with over 800 vehicle models from 2016 onward. It is specifically designed for cars that already have a wired CarPlay system, allowing you to easily swap out your old cables for clean wireless freedom. While this adapter supports most models, it is not compatible with Tesla or BMW systems. If you ever have questions about compatibility, customer support is readily available to help you out. This makes the burnt sugar wireless CarPlay adapter a practical solution for drivers who want total convenience without compromising on speed or stability. It provides a great balance of performance and modern functionality to elevate your travel. Upgrading your vehicle dashboard has never been this simple and rewarding. Check the price link in the description to find out how you can get your hands on this amazing device today. If you want to see more helpful looks at the best tech and gadgets, make sure to like and subscribe to Triplezon. Drive safely on your next trip, enjoy the wireless convenience, and we will see you in the very next video.